Your Majesty, the Indlovukazi, Emakhosikati, Your Royal Highnesses, Prime Minister, Councillors, the Chief Justice, Chiefs, Deputy Prime Minister, Cabinet Ministers, Excellencies, members of the Diplomatic Corps, presiding officers, and members of both Houses of Parliament, the Regional Administrator, the Commissioner Generals from our neighboring countries, the Commissioner General, and all rank and file of His Majesty's Correctional Services, distinguished guests, I greet you all here in Matsapa today.
Maphoyisa siphutsene lapha namuhla elangeni le kuthi silapha correctional services la khona sitokupha lusuku lwawo emaphoyisa alapha correctional services ebekunene.
Correctional officers, we are here gathered today to celebrate and commemorate the Correctional Services Day as we are gathered here today.
Elangeni lelihle kangaka sithatha lelithuba lekunemukela nonke bekunene lenikhona nalababuya ngaphandle kuleli nabo bonke labatawusekela basupporte lo msebenzi wanamuhla sithi nonke ndivele nemukelekile correctional services bekunene.
We take this opportunity in welcoming you all here today, especially the relatives and those that have come to support in various ways here today. I would like to say, please feel free and welcome in this ceremony of today.
Maphoyisa angisho ukuthi ninenhlanhla lenhle kulamalanga lengcile liqhwale belikhona belibonakala ukuthi awu belimadi mambela kepha namuhla awu ngisho nabo bani bangaphuma ngaphandle bawuthamela sicelo ngebunanzi ukuthi awu kube langa lelihle emaphoyisa.
Correctional officers, this is a great day indeed. This is testament to the fact that in the previous days it has been so cold. But here we are today in open, bright skies. Anyone would go to pass out into the sun because it is a nice, warm day here today.
Si jabula kubona kunkhanza emoyeni emphefumulweni niphilile njoba nikhombisile lapha nanisenda i-display yenu yokukhombisa ukuthi ubuphoyisa be-correctional services nikusebenta kanjani imorale nayo iyajabulisa kakhulu emaphoyisa.
I have been quite pleased to see that you are well and in good spirits here today, which has been shown by your exceptional discipline, skill, as you combined your seamless coordination in your various drills here today, showing unwavering focus as you made your wonderful displays here today.
Si Thumisa umdali longuye lobona sonke simo njoba anigcinile nani lapha na ubuka umhlaba ubuka lena kunyendi lokwentekako tehlakalo letehlakala lapha nalapha leti tane buhlungu ukhanze abantu sekuhlangene kuhlangene ngebuhlungu kuthi lapha sihlangene ngetobuka umsebenzi wenu lenwendako lomuhle live litonibonga nekunivumisa umsebenzi wonke lenwendako nisengemaphoyisa emaphoyisa.
We thank God Almighty for this great and wonderful day and ceremony that brings us together as a nation. When we look into the global stage, we do find that various calamities have befallen many nations and they have sad gatherings wherever they are. But here we are today, we are gathered in joy, coming to celebrate the Correctional Services Day here today in Matapa, and we can't not thank God Almighty for this great day we are here to celebrate today, and the nation is here to say thank you for a job well done.
Maphoyisa imsebenzi yenu lemihle ibonakalise njengoba nikhombisile a display ngoba na ukhombisa display ubonala ukuthi umhlandla usetulu imorali iphakeme sibili kuyabonakala ke ukuthi ke nale la nisebenza khona emisebenzini ngekuhlukahlukana nivele nifaka umfutho njengoba niwufakile nje nasibukela kuyabonakala ukuthi ni displaya impilo yenu lenihlala niphila ngemalanga amaphoyisa.
Your palpable sense of pride in creating the various displays shown here today prove to me that your morale is quite high here in the Correctional Services Division. This morale, I do believe you are taking it from your various working stations where you continue to display such a high morale as you go about your many duties wherever you are placed. And this I do commend today.
Maphoyisa sithumisa kuva ukuthi emisebenzini yonke leni sebendako yelive yebukhosi niyakhona kusebenza kahle kubonale ukuthi kude lokuhamba kube tihibe noma emhlabeni ungasho ukuthi konke kuyaphela ngelanga linye ngoba lilanga lilinye ukhanza ukuthi kudzingekala lokulinya nangalelinye ilanga kudzingeka lokunye kepha ke lokumgcoka ukuthi umsebenzi ungalimali uvele ube sesigabeni lesingiso ukuthi ke siyakuthumisa kulesigaba leso ukuthi umuvu uyevakala usichana wafaka emandla umhlandla sibili umsebenzi uhambe kahle kakhulu welive maphoyisa.
I would like to also share our appreciation for your commitment to national duties whenever you are called upon. Though unending these various assignments may be, you have never shown slackness or a tiredness, but you have always shown a spirit of resilience and commitment to national duty. It is for this great contribution that you continue to make in the nation that I do here commend you today.
Maphoyisa lokuhle ngilokubona esikhatsini sonke nitiniketa lwati ngesikhatsi sonke kungaba temfundo kungaba dekusebenta lo msebenzi lenikiwo ukuthi niwende kube professional ngesikhatsi sonke kuthi siyakubona lokho lelizinga nemtimba njengoba ngiyibuka nje iyakomba ukuthi cha nembala i-fitness ikhona ngoba umsebenzi lenikiwo i-fitness ngiyona number 1 ukuthi kubonakale ngisho ne-structure na uhambako kubonakale ukuthi cha kuhamba bantu labaphilile hayi labagulako noma nishaya le display njengoba sibonile lapha niswinga nenda konke kubonakele ukuthi cha niphilile kakhulu lokuhle lokho maphoyisa.
I am quite appeased at your determination into the acquisition of knowledge and training, whereby you have continuously put more effort in professionalizing His Majesty's correctional services here in the kingdom. Your drills here today have actually shown me how bodily fit you are. And this is encouraging indeed, because it does go to display that you are not sickly people, but you are healthy people that are up to the task and able to handle the high pressures of the work that is assigned to you from day to day.
Maphoyisa sithi ke nembala umsebenzi lomuhle nje obanwenda uba mhle weuthi nineleni ubambile nalabetako bawukhanze unjalo umuhle njengoba niubambile lokusho kona lo ukuthi ema structures lafanele abe in place latawubonalisa ukuthi say masterpiece letawuhlala ilandzeleleka kube part of indangu yemaphoyisa correctional services solo dingo leto letitawenda umsebenzi noma le organization ye correctional ibe more professional ukuthi ke nembala kuyajabulisa nawubuva ukuthi cha kunyenti naleni kwendako naleni kuhlanganisako utokwadi ukuthi kumaintain ke lesigaba salelizinga lenkilo njengoba lizinga lenu liphakeme kakhulu emaphoyisa.
Correctional officers, I must say that you are here to make a legacy. You are here to create a template that future generations can find and follow after as they walk into your footsteps. It is therefore important that you maintain this momentum in your everyday to-day duties, so that future generations can learn and take path from where you have been and have gone through, so that our nation may go stronger and stronger and have a strong correctional services department in the kingdom.
Lesikujabulelako maphoyisa kuva njoba lapha niselihlangothini lapho khona bonalisa ukuthi lobe abanetigwegwe ninkwade kumcondzisa kuva umoya leni phathana ngawo nabo bonke laba lenihlala nabo lapha correctional services ukuthi niphethene kahle ngemoya lomuhle nikhulumisana kahle konke umsebenzi wonke loyo naloyo atibone ukuthi awu maye bekonakele lapha maye nyalo sekudinga ngidilungise konke lokho kubuya esigabeni sekutheni ningemaphoyisa nine nisebenza kanjani nasenilapha efieldini kepha ke umuvu uyevakala cha umsebenzi wenu muhle kakhulu siyakudumisa kakhulu lokho emaphoyisa.
Correctional officers, we are glad to hear the reports that we continue to receive in your rehabilitative and corrective measures that you continuously met out to the people that have been handed unto your care. You are no longer punitive in your measures, but you are now more rehabilitative, to the point where those that are within your care have become remorseful and have found worth within themselves and found value in them contributing positively into the greater community. This is indeed commendable. Correctional officers, we would expect more good news of this nature.
Kuyabonakala ukuthi nilandzela liBhayibheli njoba liBhayibheli liyasifundisa kahle ukuthi esikhathini sonke umuntu lokwende ngendlela leyo lethide nasingafanekisa nje kulesigaba saJesu bathi bamenda kabi akazanga aphinzisela ngebubi kepha waphinzisela ngemusa nako ke lokuhle njoba nani le nihlala nabo lapha uyevakala ukuthi indlela leni baphatha ngayo anibaphathi ngebudlova keje anibaphatha ngemusa qhubekani ke naleso nalolo nyawo lenibambile emaphoyisa.
You have shown me, correctional officers, that you are indeed followers of the Bible. Our holy scriptures do keep us informed that when Jesus was done many bad things, he did not revenge on those issues. And here today, I see a culture of the Bible being made practical in this, that you are no longer meeting issues in retribution, but you are coming out in rehabilitating these offenders with much compassion and love to make them know that they are also human and with dignity.
Bekunene sibonga kakhulu sivile na simelane lapha abika aguqile ukuthi bamthumile kanti nalamakhosini nangifika ufike wathi bonke lalabahlala lapha labahlala nabo bavele bavusela bonke bathi lunolelo luthe elangeni lelihle lenjengaleli ngithi angibonge kakhulu lawo mavi lamahle ebekunene.
I did take note on the words from Prince Melane here, who shared some sentiments of my good health here today. Yet upon my arrival as well, the General Commissioner General Lomakosini, did inform me that the entire community that stays here in the correctional facility does wish me well, and I warmly receive your well wishes today.
Konke lokhu kungumusa ukuthi ngiloku leni kwendako ngoba nawuhleli nabantu uphilisana kahle nabo nemoyeni nawe uba ngumuntu sibili wakheke kuthi ke konke lo msebenzi lemihle lenendako ibe nemiphumela lemihle lebonalisa ukuthi nakwakhe kasive sive ngileso sibone ukuthi awu asilungise lapha nalapha siyathi ukuthi kuyawulakhela live ukuthi lihlale libe nenhlala lekahle kakhulu litokwati nekukhula emnothweni likhule kutotonke tinzingo tizingeko likwati ukuthi linake lokwanalokwa lokungakhulisa live litokhula ngento emnotho lisite nalo lobonalisa ukuthi udzinga lolo sito bekunene.
All these correctional officers is as a result of your compassionate care that you continuously give out to those that are brought in within your care, such that their character is rebuilt and these past offenders begin to learn new ways of handling themselves so that they can be a positive contribution to the greater community. I therefore would like to commend you, correctional officers, for doing all this good work which goes for the social fiber of our country and adds into economic growth, as we will no longer be busy chasing around people who are doing criminal activities, but we'll be having people who have been brought up in a good character because of your compassionate care.
Maphoyisa konke lokhu kusho kona ukuthi le service le correctional services iyawadi umgomo ukuthi ifanele yendeni lokungiko ilandzela ema-international standards labonala ukuthi umhlaba ubekile ukuthi emave emhlaba onke ayakwenda nje nakuphathana kahle ukuthi libe bakhona embili nalabakhona namuhla emaphoyisa akufundzile futhi lokho akuhlanganisa kumasterisha kahle njoba ngishilo ukuthi sesawushiya inkabhayi labatawuvela futhi inkabhayi bayawusala bakhanze konke kukuhle ukuthi nginako ke lokuhle leni kwendako maphoyisa.
This is heartening indeed, because you have stayed true to your call and mandate as correctional officers. The goals and missions set before you, you have stayed true to it. It is for that reason that you have also upheld the United Nations guidelines, which are international practice world over, which has afforded us as a nation to take care of these offenders following these international standards and guidelines. So I urge you to continue to keep up onto that mandate.
Maphoyisa konke lokhu kusho kona ukuthi labaniqeqeshako baniqeqesha ngendlela lengiyo ngoba yonke indzaba iba sekutheni nawusalayelwa lo msebenzi ukuthi udawusebenza kanje benta kanjani bona ngoba nangabe bayawufaka esikolwa lesingasiso uyakhanza ukuthi konke losokuyawuba imphumela lapho kuyawulandzela lokho ukuthi yinto loyifundzile kepha ke kuyabonakala ukuthi banifundzisa into lengiyo lebonakalisayo ukuthi lesiyidvumisako sonke sonke lokusilapha nje sive sonke seswadini sadumisa sanikhutsata newekuthi njoba niyibambile qhubekani kanjalo maphoyisa.
This correctional officers shows us that your instructors and trainers have done their job very well. This is shown by your displays and how you do your many important duties. We all know that if you could do as they say or leave out what they have taught you, you will definitely be a different person altogether. It is for that reason that we appreciate that you do not just talk, but you live what you have learned, and we encourage you to continue in this path as the nation rejoices, seeing you as correctional officers following this path. The entire nation is grateful for a job well done.
Maphoyisa siyathumisa ke ukuthi ke kuqeqeshwa kwenu kuya shona lena nalena nemave emhlaba ngoba impilo seyaba nekuthekelana ukuthi uthole lena le njoba nje nento le display i-display lebonakele ukuthi nakhona nishonelena nalena nayawuthola ukuthi nize nihlanganise kunye into leni kuhlanganisako leni kuqhamukisa emhlabeni wonke lokutokwati ukuthi kwakhe le unit le correctional services iqhubeke indlondlobale kitotonke tinhlangothi ukuthi ke siyadumisa kakhulu nabo bonke labashiya ligwayi nalabasibambisako eveni ukuthi i-support ye-correctional iqhubeke ibe sembili emaphoyisa.
Your vast training in various jurisdictions is evident for all to see, as you have harnessed various techniques and ideologies that you have put into practice due to exposure to these various jurisdictions. It is for that reason that here today we would like to commend you all for bringing in these new strategies that have brought professionalism into the correctional services. We thank also our stakeholders that have contributed towards the advancement of the correctional services to the good that you have become here today.
Maphoyisa langeni lelihle lenjengaleli singanisekela nekunika idathu lokuqina esigabeni ukuthi siyati nanini nemaplans nako konke konhlala kahle njengemaphoyisa labonala ukuthi afuneka ahlale esigabeni lesifanele kuthi namuhla live liniketa dologcina ukuthi la uchubeka linibambise kunisupporta kunisekela la kudzingekani ukuthi nithole khona kusekeleka lokungiko lokutakwenda inhlala kahle ukuthi ibe kahle kakhulu maphoyisa.
Correctional officers, we are aware that in as much as you are committed to your many duties, you also have social needs. This day presents to us an opportunity to assure you that indeed the nation is behind you. The nation does acknowledge and notice all your social needs and is committed in making sure that your social welfare is taken care of and bettered in every way.
Imisebenzi leni sekelewa nangayo leminye imenyetiwe khona lapha maphoyisa lebonala ukuthi itawenda yonke imisebenzi uthi nikhone kusebenza kahle ngilokubonala ukuthi njoba njalo ngeminyaka kuba khona lokwendiwako ukuthi kutawuchujekwa kube kanjalo minyaka yonke emaphoyisa.
Your important duties, correctional officers, have been rehearsed before us here today. We are aware of what you continue to do and urge you to continue contributing to the works that you are always expected to do, just as you do in the past.
Maphoyisa kulelanga lanamuhla ngitsite ku-Commissioner General bahlangane nelibandla le prerogative of mercy kubuka ukuthi njoba live liyabuka ukuthi nasithi siya transformer lilungisa lokwana lokwa bangakhohlwakala nalaba lenhlala nabo lapha kuba faka ekhathi babe ingcenye yale transformation lelibandla ke lihlala phansi libuke ukuthi labo lesibanetigwebo leto letitsite bakwati ukukhuleka baye emakhaya bayisalo bayotigcithiselela ngakhona. Bahlale phansi naleli bandla le prerogative of mercy njengoba bavele baye bahlale phansi bahlatiye ukuthi lokhu kutawuma kanjena ukuthi lonyaka kutaba ngilomunye umsebenzi lotawuvele wendiwe batawuthi ke bangawulungisa kahle kubusiswe kahle ke bese konke kuyachubeka ngalesigaba lesifanele silandzele emaphoyisa.
Correctional officers, I also tasked the Commissioner General here, along with the Prerogative of Mercy Committee, to look into how some of our inmates could be pardoned here so that they could be included in the transformation agenda that we are engaged upon here in the kingdom. This I say that they must do in speed, and after they conclude their assessments, it will then be appropriately blessed and announcements will then be made in due course.
Maphoyisa na sitanga lapha sibukile njoba nangu ne correctional services yenda ma transformation lena nalena ngekuhlukana kubuka ukuthi njoba kusadaki kunema structures latsite kubuka nalanga kithi kwakhanya ukuthi kukhona lesikubonakele ukuthi kufuneka kulungiswe kuguqulwe lobe kukhona itolo kutokwati ukuthi nasikhuluma ukuthi si in line ne SADC protocol kukhanye ukuthi sihamba kuleso sigaba leso lengidawukwati ukumemedela namuhla emaphoyisa.
Correctional officers, on my way here, I did look to consider how we are lacking in meeting the SADC protocol structures that are expected of a correctional services. On this day, I would therefore like to make amendments and adjustments into His Majesty's Correctional Services leadership so that we can be found in line with the expectations of SADC.
Maphoyisa kusho ukuthi njoma kuna le rank ya Commissioner General lo ngamakhosini Dlamini solo kunjomba kunjalo emaphoyisa.
Correctional officers, as you know that we have the rank of Commissioner General, that will still be Lomakosini, nothing shall change in that light.
Sokubuya ke bese kubitwa bo commissioner babitwa ngabo commissioner kuthi ke labo libe babitwa ngabo commissioner kusukela namuhla sebataba bo deputy commissioner general kwenza kuleso sigaba amaphoyisa.
You will be aware that amongst you correctional officers, you had commissioners. And these commissioners from today will be given their new title as Deputy Commissioner General.
Maphoyisa ushothi nabo ngilabo bengivele bengibabekile ukuthi beba bitwa ngakuthi bo commissioner namuhla nje basebachinja sebataba bo Deputy Commissioner General kusho si wokuqala nguye Mfanzile Malinzisa na Bongani Khumalo.
The names that I am going to call out are names of people you are all aligned to, whom you all know. These are Luke Malinzisa and Bongane Khumalo.
Bese ke kuqhubeka ukuthi ke laba lebe babo Deputy Commissioner sebatawuba bo commission nabo njoba soloni abakhumbula namuhla maphoyisa sengibo laba ndawuqhubeka nibabambise emsebenzini maphoyisa.
These are your leaders, correctional officers. As you have known them, I charge you to continue working well with them.
Laba ke labataba bo commissioner maphoyisa labasuka bo deputy commissioner general bo Vusi Sicelo Kunene, Cyril Vusmuzi Maseko, Manqoba Ngambule, Phindile Glory Sibanze, Ephraim Mthwala. Ngiboke labo.
Those that are going to be given the titles of commissioner from Deputy Commissioner General are Vusi Kunene, Cyril Maseko, Manqoba Ngambule, Phindile Sibanze, and Ephraim Mthwala.
nabo ke senibabonile sesithandaza ukuthi niqhubeke nisebenze kahle kakhulu nabo maphoyisa.
I present these officers to you. Continue cooperating with them.
Kungetetela njoba kuba mnyaka yonke kube nalabasha nabo njoba iminyaka hambe kungene laba nabo namuhla lengidawati uthi ngibamemete batobusiswa kulelanga la namuhla maphoyisa lesababekwa ko labasha usho ukuthi ngidawu bala labatawu babo commissioner labatawu joina naba labathanza kusuka nyalo usho ukuthi wekuqala utaba nguvusani Zwane namakhosi ahlangene Maseko.
I will make my first announcements here today of those that are joining the commissioners here today. I present to you Vusani Zwane and Makosa Hlangene Maseko as the new commissioners.
Nabo ke labasha lesenginipa bona namuhla nabo senawo basekela umsebenzi baqhubeke bawubambe kahle maphoyisa.
These are your new commissioners that I give you here today. Continue to support and work well with them.
Nalesinye isigaba lengidawusibala sebu Deputy Commissioner General naye lomusha lesengidawunimpa yena amaphoyisa usikutaba nguvusi Sicelo Kunene.
I will also now give you a new Deputy Commissioner General in Vusi Sicelo Kunene.
Nangu Deputy Commissioner General lesenginipa yena lomusha siyakholwa ukuthi nitawuqhubeka nimbambise basasebenza umsebenzi webuphoyisa maphoyisa.
This is your new Deputy Commissioner General whom I present to you today. You shall do well to work well with him.
Maphoyisa letinye ngiyawutimemetele eminyakeni otako kwentele ukuthi njoba iminyaka yonke ufuneka ube netindzaba letimnanzi letiba khona ukuthi ke nabo labasha lesithandaza ukuthi ndawusebenza kahle nabo kukhulisa le force lena yalapha correctional services iqhubeke ibambisane sithumisa umoya lomuhle lenibambisana ngawo khona lapha ngekuhloniphana nangekulandzelana ema-order kubonakala ukuthi nanifundziswa ngediscipline yebuphoyisa ukuthi kufuneka niphathe kanjani noma nikhulumisana umoya uyevakala ukuthi ngilomuhle ngoba nanisebenza emsebenzini kumqoka ukuthi kube ne-unity lemqoka kakhulu emaphoyisa.
Correctional officers, I shall end here for today with the announcements of my promotions, since every year I must come with good news to share with you in such a ceremony. Nonetheless, I would like to commend you for the good work that you continue to do and the good working relations that I get reports from time to time on how you continue to do well in your service. The unity that is always displayed before us all is quite commendable, and I would like to appreciate that gesture.
Maphoyisa sesifisa liqhubeke ilanga lonke le correctional services libe lihle silijabulele kakhulu sithatha naleli thuba lekubonga nato tonke tethulo lentethulile maphoyisa sithi kwanze nalapho nithethe khona.
Now remains for me to wish you well for the continuance of the 17th Correctional Services Day here today. And my personal gratitude and thanks to all the gifts that have been given unto us, and pray the blessing of the Lord upon that generous heart.
Siyabonga uNkulunkulu asibuse sonke bekunene maphoyisa.
Thank you, Almighty God. Bless us all.
Uyibukeza abangwakithi ngwasembelebele ngumkhephula ngelijosi ngilomagada ngilomashikizela kangwane.